planner friends. Thank you for joining me for this week's plan with me. Geez, I can't talk already. This week has already been exhausting. I've done so much stuff on Monday and Tuesday that now it's Wednesday and I am barely doing my weekly spread here. So, for this week, my theme is going to be boba theme because on Friday, the 30th, it is National Bubble Tea Day. And that is what I decided to use as the theme for this week. I watched a couple of planning videos on YouTube, mostly from bullet journal planners, because that's really where all of the fun ideas come from. Um, and so I'm going to do some boba decoration on this page. I'm going to do a couple of boba cups every once in a while. I don't really know how I'm going to do it yet. We'll see how it turns out as I go through. And also I pulled out these washi tapes. I pulled out a number of skinny ones to kind of do all of the boxes. And I'm pretty sure I'm not going to use these mint colored ones because I don't think I'm going to be doing any minty colored boba. So I'm going to put those away. But what I am most likely going to use are either the pink or the purple to do the thin lines. And I also have this really dark, it's actually a really dark blue, but it looks almost black. So we'll see how that goes. And then I have these other two washi tapes that I picked out. This purple one, it's got some little polka dots on it, and I just thought it was really cute. So it reminds me kind of the taro boba. So I might use this one. And the other one I pulled out is this one that I've used in my cocktail spread. And it reminds me of like a tequila sunrise. And also of maybe like a mango strawberry slushy with boba. So I might use this one too. So let's get started. All right, so far I'm kind of liking the way that this is turning out. I grabbed some pink, purple, and orange markers, and I'm gonna use these to color in my little boba cups. And I think after I color everything in with the markers, I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna do the little bubbles inside, because I don't want the marker to smear the pen. So I don't know if that's going to turn out well, but let's see how it goes. Alrighty, so I think that this is pretty much it. I am probably going to add a little bit more washi tape around the entire spread. And I actually kind of like how I started here, and I gotta fix this because it's crooked. But since today is already Wednesday, and so I already know what I did the last 2 days. Well, one of the things that I did was I put work, and I kind of wanted to kind of highlight that a little bit. And I am working on a new class PowerPoint this week, and probably I will continue on to next week. So since I know I already had work, that's why I kind of stuck that in here. I'm gonna do the same thing because I already had a work meeting this morning, so that's why I left that box kind of small. And I do have other plans for today, and I'm gonna put those in the middle, and then in the evening I might add something else. So the way that I outlined these boxes, it's not the way that I would normally do it. And the way I did it this time was because, well, I'm already halfway through the week and I already know, some of the things that I have done, and I kind of already have things planned out. Like, for example, on Sunday, it is Orthodox Easter. So I'll be spending the majority of the day with family, and then, well, I'll probably spend the entire day with family. But I did separate it into 2 parts, so we'll see if I end up using that or not. I like the way that I separated all of the boxes. It's not the traditional 3-box way, so I like it. Hopefully it's going to work out well for me. And then I added some like a random washi tape because I ended up getting ink somewhere on my hand, and I just wanted to cover that up. And some of these, now that I'm looking at it, they don't look very straight. Like, they look a little bit crooked. Like, this one is definitely crooked, and this one is definitely crooked. So off camera, I will fix that and make it a little bit prettier. But this is it for this week, guys. I hope you enjoyed this plan with me, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.